Hello everyone, Namaste. I hope you all are good. Welcome to my channel Yoga with Nikki. So today I'm focusing on neck pain. So neck pain is a very common problem nowadays. Every people are facing neck pain issues. So if you have facing a heavy neck stiffness issue or neck pain issue, so you can practice these exercises which I'll be showing you today. So major problem of neck pain is due to if you are sitting for a longer duration of time in your desk, or if you are working for a longer duration of time, so there might be a neck pain issue. So don't sit for a longer duration of time. Instead, when you are sitting for a longer duration of time, you can practice these exercises which I am showing. Or some other issues might be if you are using mobile phone for a longer duration of time, that may cause a neck pain. Or if you are sleeping in a wrong position, that may cause a neck pain. Every people are facing this neck pain, be it an adult or be it a children. If a children is not sitting in a proper position while studying, they may cause their neck pain issues. So there are many reasons. So always have an awareness to your body, always correct your posture while sitting, and these neck pain and your shoulder pain won't occur. So today I am only focusing on neck. Next video I'll be showing you shoulder exercise. So be together with me. We'll do the exercise. You all only have to sit on your mat, or you can sit on your chair and do these exercise. So let's get started with the exercise. So the first exercise is keep your chin face parallel to the ground. Okay. Now slowly move your chin towards your right side. Look towards your right side properly. Slowly center and slowly look towards your left side. Do this very gentle movement. Don't do it forcefully. Inhale towards right. Center towards left. Center towards right. Center towards left. If you can't stretch too much to your right, be comfortable, be stretched wherever you are. Right, center to your left. Center to your right. Do these exercises 5 rounds along with me. You'll feel a good stretch in your neck. Center. The second exercise is we will tilt our neck towards right and we will tilt our neck towards left. That is, we will drop our neck towards right shoulder and we will drop our neck towards left shoulder. See how I am doing? Chin parallel to the ground. Now slowly tilt your neck towards right side. That is, your neck is towards your ears is towards your right shoulder. You are getting a good stretch on your left side. Center towards your left side. You will get a good stretch on your right side here. Breathe. Center, right, center, left. Center, right, center, left. Right, left. Last round. Center, right, center, left. Now the third exercise, we will take our chin up and slowly we will take our chin down. Inhaling, we will take our chin up, and exhaling, we will take our chin down. We'll do together. Inhaling, take your chin up, stretch your neck here up, look up, and slowly round your neck and slowly bring your chin towards your chest. You'll get a good stretch on your neck. Inhaling up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. You all can practice this 5 rounds. Make sure when you are going up, try to close your mouth. You will get a good stretch when you will close your mouth. Exhale down towards center. Now we will rotate our head clockwise and anti-clockwise. That is, we will go from right side to left side once and then left side to right side. That is, we have to do right side to left side 5 rounds and left side to right side 5 rounds. That is, we have to drop our neck down, slowly take our head towards right side, take it behind, bring it to our left and then again center. Do this again 5 rounds, right side, and now take your head towards left, back, right side and down, left, back, right side and down. Do this 5 rounds and head in the center. Now we will keep our back straight here, chin tucked in. Now slowly we will take 2 fingers here and keep placed in near the chin and slowly push our neck behind, chin behind and slowly center. You can feel the stretch on your neck while you pull your neck behind and then center. Just pull it gently. Any exercise, don't pull yourself too much. Do as per your comfort zone. Don't stretch too much. Do this at least 10 rounds. Now in the 5th exercise, we will interlock our hands and we'll interlock it behind our head. Okay, make sure your back is straight here again and slowly now push your head back and then center. Push your head back and gently center. You will get a good stretch on your neck while pushing your head back. Push back and then center. Push back, center. Push back, center. Do this at least 10 rounds. Now the last exercise, we will place our right hand on our left side and gently left hand to our left shoulder. Now slowly we will push our head towards right side. We will get a good stretch on our neck here. We will gently hold this. Do not push it too much. Just gently hold and push and stay here for 5 seconds at least. Slowly center and we will do opposite side. That is, left hand holding your head and slowly right hand holding your shoulder. Just push it gently towards left side. Stay here for 5 seconds. Gently relax your body here. Let your neck relax here and slowly center. Slowly. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like this video, please like, share and comment to my channel. Please share it with your friends. That will be helpful. Please wait for the next video. Thank you. Take care. Namaste.